Slack is where teams actually work, but most AI assistants wait silently until someone knows exactly what to ask. That leaves decisions, blockers, and small moments of context scattered across a fast-moving channel. Chappy Tag changes that. Chappy Tag is a soft, collaborative teammate for Slack, installed from a bilingual public site that follows the visitor's language. Teams can understand the concept, review privacy and terms, and add the app in one clear flow. Japanese appears for Japanese systems. Everyone else starts in English.
Once invited to a channel, Chappy Tag watches the conversation like a considerate teammate. It reacts first with an emoji chosen for the meaning of each message, using the workspace's own emoji vocabulary instead of one fixed stamp. A small reaction confirms attention without interrupting the flow. When a message sounds blocked, urgent, uncertain, or ready for collaboration, Chappy Tag can step in proactively. It replies in the original thread with a concise, contextual offer of help, while rate limits keep the behavior useful rather than noisy. Routine updates stay lightweight. Direct mentions still get a full answer, posted as a real thread reply, so the conversation stays organized. The footer shows the exact GPT 5.6 model, and, when reasoning is supported, the selected reasoning effort. The settings button is always one click away. Inside Slack, channel members can open a native settings modal. They choose the model, reasoning level, action frequency, custom instructions, and whether Chappy may help participants beyond the original owner. No separate dashboard is required.
Shared channel memory lives in a Slack canvas that channel members can inspect and edit. Execution identity stays personal. Each user connects their own ChatGPT account. Unconnected users get a private sign-in message in Japanese only for Japanese locales. Everyone else gets English.
The responsive path stays at the edge. Slack events enter Cloudflare workers, then queues and durable objects coordinate each channel safely. Semantic reactions do not require a warm container. Per-user ChatGPT runtimes wake only when needed, keeping multi-tenant costs controlled.
Chappy Tag was built with GPT 5.6 and Codex to turn AI from a command line into a present teammate. Bring one into your Slack at chappy.lvnsk.jp. Chappy Tag. Notice more.